One of the best ways to get rid of chiggers is to regularly mow and cut back tall weeds in your yard. Chiggers like to hide in tall grass and shaded brush, so keep your yard mowed and clean. This will deprive them of the shelter they need. Wear long sleeves and pants made of thick fabric and apply insect repellent when you're outside so chiggers don't get on your skin. If chiggers persist in your yard, treat areas where they're found with a natural insecticide, like diatomaceous earth. There are also chemical insecticides that are effective against chiggers. If you are looking to get rid of chiggers indoors, clean infested areas with hot soapy water and use a carpet shampooer with a heat setting to clean any carpets or rugs. If your skin starts to itch or you notice red bumps, shower and wash your body with soap and water to remove any chiggers on your skin. Chiggers don't transmit any diseases, but their bites can be itchy and uncomfortable. Apply antiseptic cream to any bites and avoid scratching them so they don't become infected.